Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo, more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? BTC pumping off the charts. It's a good day to be alive. Today, I'm going to talk about REKT.Game. Now, I initially did not cover this for a couple reasons. It was being shielded pretty hard by a lot of influencers, and it looked like a very interesting project, but there was a pre-sale, and I kind of had a hang up about that, but I'll get into that later. So what is REKT? REKT, if you're not familiar, crash games, those were super popular back in the day and still are. So basically, it's a game where there's a rocket or something and it's going up to the moon, and you hit start and then you hit stop, and then you throw some crypto at it. So that's the crash game. Unibot. Everyone knows what Unibot and Banana Gun. It's a sniping tool for new coins and a lot of memes. So we got Telegram, crash game, Unibot, and memes. What else more could you want? So why am I interested in this project? Well, the cool thing about this project is that if you have the REKT coin, okay, there is staked sharing of, I think, the proceeds from the crash game. So basically, by being a holder, you will get some divs, and we all like divs. But let me warn you, this is a super ultra degen project. Do not throw the house at it. I'm just doing it for fun because it looks like a cool, pretty fun thing. And like I said, the Twitter is very active, 145,000 followers. So let's talk about the pre-sale. The pre-sale was $1, okay? So right off the cuff, pre-sale was $1. Current price is at $8.42. It is on ETH and it is on BNB. The token supply is split. There is 500,000 of each on each chain. So there's 500,000 on BSC, BNB, and there's 500,000 on ETH. There's actually more holders. You got 1381 on ETH and 2380 on BNB. So BNB is a little popular probably because of the low gas. Very big liquidity, almost $500,000, which is not bad. So why do I see this as an opportunity? Number one, there's only 1 million coins. Okay. Now, looking at the holder list, there's only one Gigawhale with 8,800. And then this is probably a lot of pre-sellers. But overall, the holder list does not look bad. So what is my strategy? Back to what I talked about with DCA. If you're going to throw some in on this project, I expect pre-sellers in the short term to continue to take profits, okay? And once those guys get shook out, you're going to probably see some pretty crazy price action, assuming there's no hacks, exploits, or whatever. You know how that is. Again, I consider this high risk. It's a fun thing. It's kind of like friend tech. I think it has a lot of potential just because the market cap is only $4 million and the liquidity is almost $500,000. So that's a really good ratio. And the fact that the coin count is so freaking low. Now, how do you get started? I'll leave a link down there. You need a referral link to get in on this, okay? And then you basically start the bot, you tell them where you're from, and then the bot generates a wallet for you, okay? And that's up on this top line. So, if you hit play now, you get the simulated, so you get the idea. The surfer's surfing, he's making gains, and if he doesn't cash out in time, you get hit and you get wrecked. Now, a couple idiosyncrasies about this. if you buy the coins on Uniswap or Pancake, you're not going to get dibs on the staking part of this contract right off the bat. Okay, so use the bot, number one. Now, security. This is a hot wallet. I posted in the Telegram and asked, are the keys burnt to these wallet creations? And they said they're 256-bit encrypted. So the wallet PKs are encrypted, but the question is, does somebody have access to the encryption? It's tough to say, but this is being promoted by people like Arthur Hayes and stuff. And again, why I like it is they're combining, and the holder list doesn't look bad. Okay, but in order to, so basically you get that started, you get your wallet address, and then let's say that you send some BNB or ETH to it, and then you hit /start. Okay, and then that will give you the buy REKT to sell REKT. Okay, so I have about 1,000 right now, and again, I will DCA into this if this continues to go down. So if you're going to put $100 in, I would only put $25 in, and then be able to save that dry powder if the pre-sellers in the short term continue to sell. But I think this is a fun project. Telegram based Unibot, and the market cap is stupid low, and there's going to be divs, so there's not much else to talk about. There's Twitter. You can import a wallet. That doesn't work. You can generate your own referral link if you want to add some of your buddies. You can add LP. Sniper bot is still, so they haven't released some of the functions of this. So again, it's still early. The game hasn't started. I'm not sure when the announcement is for it, but check out REKT.Game. I was very surprised, didn't see a lot of videos on this, but it's a fun little distraction in this world of crypto that we're so serious in. So hope you liked today's video. Like, subscribe, and as always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.